Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then log in your account. And now, you want to click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen so that you can now post any pictures or videos that you want. So now, choose the picture or videos that you want and click on next at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you can choose the filters, and then once you've done that, just go ahead and click on next. And again, here you can see the section where it says tag people, so just go ahead and click that, and just go ahead and it says that tap photo to tag people. So just go ahead and tap that and choose the user that you want to tag and click on done. And now you can now share your post. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.